Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Jay back here again with another reaction video. Today we got another suggested to me by Tough Luck. Good looking buddy for the suggestion and support. I appreciate it heavy. And yeah, he told me to check out Terry Hoover Quit Playing. Let's check this out, man. Oh, he dropped this song 3 weeks ago. Dang, he should have told me to check that one out. But anyways, let's check this out first. Well, I keep doing that. I'm so used to old style. Man, hold on. We don't need these. Like I said, these ads, bro, you gotta be careful. If you're a YouTuber, just know ads alone could get you copyrighted. Chrysler.
Let him get it. Let him fuck it up. Let him fuck it up.
That car was crying, man.
Niggas hate me and I can feel it. Give a fuck how niggas feel. I'm leaving niggas and they feelings.
No cap, I did not expect him to sound like that at all, bro. Like, no disrespect, but that's wild. I thought his voice was gonna be way deeper. No cap.
Got me higher than the ceiling. Half the gang got grills, but the whole team grilling. Ooh wee, I'm that nigga. Get her off a speedo, might just fuck her to some jigger. Bring her to the jungle, she gon' leave with them gorillas. And we don't really tussle, the banana clips pillin'. Ayy, niggas tryna crease me with that iron. Hey, heard he wanna sleep me, I ain't tired. Ooh, he really wanna be me, I inspire. Ayy, boy, these streets to do
he reminds me of, he looks like somebody, bro. I forgot who. I think it's that dude from Chicago, FBG Duck's homie. I forgot his name. He looks just like him. That's who I thought he was.
Thought that I retired. I'm 25, could be a 25 to lifer. These niggas let it cap, stop that acting. Kai Pfeiffer left her baby on his back. We ain't come to take no diapers. I'm the South Seattle factor. Nigga, what you mean? Skipping classes, hitting lashes. You was still in PE. No clapper got captured, now ain't in her PC. You can have her, I'ma pass her all these bitches for the streets. I'm too sick, the nuisance, the rain of rap music. Dropped out of school, I'm a South Seattle student. Now I'm on top like a young nigga roofing. How to run it through them stories way before they start looting. Proving, hard body with a couple bruises. If I ain't on the app, then I'm backstreet cruising. These niggas let them rap about some shit they ain't doing. We be speaking facts, niggas know how we be moving. Gang shit, I don't fuck with niggas on that lame shit. Papers, my little niggas shoot like Calvin Cambridge. H's, long live gin, blue faces. My whole life changed, seeing deal on that pavement. It's dangerous, if you ain't really like that, quit playing. Dangerous, if you ain't really like that, quit playing. Ay, if you ain't really like that, quit playing. You ain't really like that, quit playing. We be in the open, fully focused on our P's and Q's. Spot running clocks, bustin' pop up like Beetlejuice. And them trying to blind me, have to find a way to see it through. Everybody shining, so she choosing when she see the crew. Niggas always biting on the kid like mosquitoes do. I ain't doing shows if I can't bring none of my people through. Talk tough, we playing target practice with your vehicle. Choppers get to ringing, niggas singing like a Leah do. Okay.
Almost hit that curve though.
They out there deep. I feel. That must be the vibe out there. Nobody's wearing shirts. Like, I don't be seeing that out here in New York. No cat. Niggas do not be outside without no shirt on. That's different. They must be from. Oh yeah, they from LA, right? West Side, California. Yeah, it's different out there for sure, for sure. But I'm rock with it heavy. Once again, shout out Terry Hoover. Definitely did his thing. I'm rocking with this, Brody. No cap, keep grinding. Got potential. This should be way higher. I ain't gonna lie. He definitely got potential. I'm rocking with him heavy. And once again, shout out to Brody Tough Luck for the suggestion and support. I appreciate it heavy, Brody. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.